guys, so I have a unboxing to do of two products. Well, an unboxing of one and review of another. So I'm going to first show you my influencer box for this month or last month, whatever, my latest influencer box. And this is a Walmart influencer box, and let me take out the product. This is the product this time around, and this is the Dove Dry Spray. So for of using it for some time now, I really like it. I never thought I would like a dry spray or a spray on antiperspirants, but I really like this one, and it dries right away and it actually lasts throughout the day. If you are doing sports, however, I find that it will wear off and you might start getting an odor. But otherwise from that, I really like it. And this is the card that came in the box. This is the box. And it is the Walmart. This is the game changer. They're talking about dry sprays, and here are the pictures of the different dry sprays that are available at Walmart. And you know, this is very good, and according to the bottle, this should last you 2 months, which is not bad because it's a good size bottle and it's great and convenient. I really like it thus far, and go and check it out if you have the chance. I have seen it here in Jamaica in the supermarket that is near me, but you can also get this online at walmart.com, or if you're in the States, you can get this at walmart.com. Excuse me if you hear the noise. I'm trying to record the day. You guys know the situation already. So yeah, that's that. Alright, so for the next package, it's this. And this is my Vanity Planet Perfect Spin Brush, and I'm going to open it now. And let's see what's inside. Okay. So, and this is what is inside. It's the Spin for Perfect Skin cleanser, exfoliating face, cleansing, exfoliating face and body brush system, and it says hashtag VP Beauty, and it's vanityplanet.com. So let me open it up. This is a real cute packaging. It's quite small and convenient for international shipping. And yeah, so we got some papers. We got a coupon for 50% off, and then this is, I guess, how to care the brush and what the different types of brush heads and stuff. And then I think, yeah, this is probably just an invoice. So this is the system, and you guys know I have to get it in purple. It's my favorite color. Yeah, so this is the system. Something fell out. The exfoliating brush fell out. Yeah, so you have an exfoliating brush and it's in a plastic bag. I don't know why. Then you have the brush handle, and then you have two other brush heads. You have the body brush head. I think this is the sensitive skin brush head, and this is the exfoliating brush head. So it comes with 4 brush heads and the brush handle and stuff. So this is it. You take your brush head, so the exfoliating brush head, I guess you apply it like that, and yeah, it doesn't come with battery, so you have to buy your own battery. Can I open it? Okay, so yes, and it's waterproof. You can use it in the shower. it says it use 6 AA batteries, so you have to have 6 um, AA battery to make for this to work. And I suggest getting rechargeable batteries, because you know you're gonna have this for a good amount of time if you take care of it, and you don't want to be constantly buying batteries and throwing away batteries and stuff like that. But I bought this to get a better skin, because I think skincare is key to flawless makeup. I might not have a whole lot of pimples and bumps, but I realized that I when I do have bumps, or even the smallest bits, I pick them and I get black spots on my jaw area, mainly over this side, not much on this side. So I'm aiming to get rid of that and get clearer skin, because some persons think I have clear skin. I don't have perfect skin. And yeah, I'm going to probably record my skincare routine when I get the hang of this, probably a month later, and give you a review on this and see how it is and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. And remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Like the video, share with your friends, let them know that hey, Moya Lovely is doing stuff, this little Jamaican girl is doing stuff. So yeah, bye guys.